Welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Sniff's second ever Lattafa video.
Third.
Third?
Yeah, because the Yaras are
The
Lattafa.
Yaras are. Yes, third. I feel like chaos ensues every time we do a Lattafa review.
Why?
I don't know. It's not expected because usually we're doing like really weird and exotic and interesting stuff. I like doing these.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah. I like know what everybody is smelling and wearing.
Yeah.
I like having a frame of reference. People ask us about stuff. I like being able to say I've smelled it. And
Yes.
we're polysniferous. We
We
don't
are.
discriminate. We
Exactly.
we smell whatever comes our way. Speaking of coming our way, these were sent by our friend Christian. Thank you, Christian. We will tag him here. He is somebody that you want to know if you are into Middle Eastern fragrance because he's got the hookup.
Yeah, he's a distributor.
Yeah. So,
Do you want to smell this Fakar black?
what did you say
Or
to me?
do you want to smell this one? Or do you want to smell that one?
Aren't we going to smell them both?
Which one do you want to start
Let's
with?
start with this one.
Okay. I'm going to lay this one down because it
Do
seems a
that.
little tippy.
This one is Lattafa Hayati. Hayati. That is apparently inspired by what? Invictus Aqua.
Yeah, which is a
The
discontinued.
discontinued Paco Rabanne, fruity, fresh, blue,
Is it blue?
young. I think it's kind of a bluish designer.
Okay.
I think.
Let's
I
look
might be
at
wrong.
go on
Kind
to
of aquatic.
Fragrantica
Yes, dear.
to the left there because
Okay. So
I think it's spicy and not blue.
Hayati is a woody aromatic fragrance. Okay.
For men and women.
For men and women, launched in 2020. Top notes are apple and bergamot. Middle notes are cinnamon and woodsy notes. And the base notes are musk and vanilla. That doesn't sound blue at all. I was totally wrong.
I like the way this bottle feels.
I think it's because the regular Invictus is relatively blue. That is actually nice.
Yeah, I feel it. It's very heavy.
Yeah.
Solid.
I had the same experience
you.
with the...
Solid.
Go on.
The solid part.
Square and solid. As wide at the top as I am at the bottom. What
The
was
other
the first?
Lattafa one.
Yeah. JPG LeBeau Paradise Garden.
Yeah, it was the dupe of that one.
Yeah, whatever
and
it's
it was
called.
really good.
Yeah, but also it had a really good presentation. I mean,
It did.
this is nice. This is nice presentation. Zero complaints. Let's spray. Let us spray. Decent enough atomizer.
It smells kind of like the other one, actually.
I was gonna say
It smells almost exactly like the other one.
It
No.
smells like a designer frag.
It does.
It smells good.
Yeah.
I mean, zero difficulty understanding why this would be popular. I don't know what the cost is, but most Lattafas are, anywhere from like 20 to 40, 45 bucks.
I like this. I would like this on you.
Would you?
Mm-hmm. I like I don't know, there's like a salty. Maybe it's the musk.
It is. I mean, it's very pleasant.
Yeah.
It's very synthetic designery.
Mm-hmm.
And I always caveat that in case you're seeing us for the first time. That's not a negative.
Right.
It's just a descriptive term.
Yeah.
Like saying something is sweet or spicy. It's just synthetic versus natural are different profiles, just like sweet or savory.
I like it.
Very synthetic, very generic. It kind of, it smells like a lot of stuff. That was our impression. We first spread it. We're like, wait, didn't we? Didn't we just smell this? But also easy to wear.
Super nice. Like this smells like you're very. I don't want to be insulting, but like your average dad. Honestly.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with being an average dad.
Yeah, just like a very nice, pleasant, masculine scent.
You find it to be more masculine?
A little bit more masculine.
I would agree.
I associate it more with masculine smells.
It's more masculine.
But a woman could wear this and it would be nice.
I like the little bit of apple bite up in here. There's some reminiscence with that of one of my, well, I don't know about favorite, but a designer frag that I keep in my collection because I enjoy it, Brioni EDP Intense.
It does smell a little bit
the
like
apple,
Brioni.
The apple and woody notes together remind me of that Brioni.
Yeah, I mean, I give this like an 8 out of 10. I enjoy it. Like from a
I
woman's perspective, I would really like to smell this on a guy.
okay. Well, let's smell it on a guy. I don't know that I'm going to go 8 out of 10.
It's nice.
You know,
I don't.
because whenever we approach these reviews, again, I feel like there's lots of little asterisks and things that need to be discussed. It's because, like, we know out of the gate this is a Lattafa. We know it's a dupe. We know it's going to be synthetic. We know it's really inexpensive, and all of that goes into account. Like,
Yeah.
considering all of that, it's very good for what it's supposed to be and what it's doing.
I'm going to say this is an 8 out of 10 for me on a scale of 1 to 10 of enjoyability of the scent.
Okay.
There's a lot of fragrances that you objectively
don't even
think
no
are higher
no
quality,
don't you dare.
but don't smell as nice as this. I'm sorry to say. We're running out of time because you yap. So let's go on to this
I yapped.
Fakar Black.
What'd you say to me?
Situation. You already forgot what I said?
No, you keep saying.
Oh, this is
You
hard
keep
to
saying
get
the
out.
F word. Show the people the bottle.
This is also a very interesting bottle. I like how
Flashy.
shiny it is. Looks like there's like a fish scale thing situation happening at the top.
Super heavy duty.
Yeah.
Maybe not super heavy duty. That's pretty plasticky.
Yeah. So 8 out of 10 on just nice smell.
Whatever. You're an 8 out of 10. I'm kidding. You're a 10. 11?
It's supposed to be higher than 10, but whatever.
You're infinity.
Thank you.
Oh.
Now, what's this one's profile? This one's supposed to be like YSL.
Apparently. Not really, though.
It's kind of making me go nose blind, honestly. I find it very hard to smell.
I would agree. Let me put it on skin and see what sort of sillage action we get. What's going on here?
It's hard to get out of the box, honestly. Like, I have to smell my own shirt. I can smell it. It's just like, because of the way it's made, it probably the designer version of this as well. It kind of goes to the top of my brain, makes my brain kind of hurt, and then I can't smell it. Because some lighter aroma chemicals are really hard to smell.
Yeah.
For me.
Certain aroma chemicals
okay,
are.
My nose is getting accustomed to it. I can smell it more now. Is this a glue? Can we look at
it?
It
is. Well, if it's to the extent to which it's Y, we can. Fakar Black is. Do these both have apple?
Yes.
I'll be damned.
They do.
What are the odds? These both have apple and bergamot on the top. This one is apple, bergamot, and ginger.
Oh, you can smell it on your own skin.
And then lavender, sage, juniper berries, and geranium.
No.
Tonka bean, amberwoods, cedar, and vetiver. So this is technically a fougere.
It smells so much better on the paper than on you, honestly.
Really?
Yeah, I do not like the way it smells.
Maybe I didn't spray enough. Maybe I undersprayed.
No, it smells like bad soap on you.
Ugh. Technically a fougere with tonka, lavender, and citrus. It's like I like the profile, but it's so roughly synthetic. It makes me wonder if I need to go try YSLY EDP again.
Okay. I don't want to smell it again.
I kind of like this one more.
It's disgusting.
You're ridiculous.
I'm telling you, it smells good on the paper. I don't really like the way this one smells in your hand either. No, I do.
Is it a me thing? Should we spray them on you?
No.
I did have all kinds of stuff, and then I wiped myself down with a Clorox wipe, but then I went and rinsed with water, too.
No, I just like it better on the paper than on you. On you, it smells kind of like really strong soap.
And that's the lavendery, it's a lavender fougere sort of citrus thing.
I don't know. It just doesn't smell as nice on you. Sorry.
Does this already feel like it's kind of? I mean, again,
I still like that one better.
They're $30, $40 Lattafas.
I think this would.
They're not going to last forever.
I think this. Maybe the dry down is better of that one.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. There you go, folks. Sabor Lattafa.
Did you do a